We're doing some much needed work right now. I've never cleaned this engine bay, so I think that's what I'm gonna tackle today. I just found an unopened cleaning brush that I bought like 5 years ago now. Hell yeah. This is already looking so much better. Man. Now I just gotta do that side. This thing probably has been this clean since they made this car. No joke. And I went crazy with the trim. This all looks nice and even. There's some other trim pieces like around the car that I did too, but that was the main one. I'm just gonna go ahead and close this. There we go. All right, I think we're looking clean. Clean car is a happy man. All right. Lights, please. Oh, we gotta get some gas. Okay, I get it. 36. That's why I love 7-Eleven. $57, nothing. I love these taillights though. Oh my God, that thing's clean. Oh, what y'all think? These were dress shoes? Think again. I think it's been a long time since I've seen the outside of this car and the headlights. I don't think I've seen the headlights in a minute, at least not during the day. That's why I like days like this where it's like overcast. The car looks a lot better in this kind of weather. Instead of like the sun being just like beaming on top of it, doesn't look good. But yeah, this is what we're working with. I mean, the lip's still intact somehow. Still gotta get wheels, but side skirt is still intact. Whatever that piece is called, still intact. Wing still intact. I really like these tail lights. That's what they look like. That's what they look like. It's kind of hard to see it when, you know, it's kind of bright out here, but wait, was that light on the other side? Am I tripping? Okay, it is on. I was about to say. But yeah, I mean, this is the car. It's has a couple issues, but I mean, it looks damn good though. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you, it looks damn good, bro. I wish y'all could see this in person. Like, the paint looks so good in this weather. But that's the car. That's the car. Now we're gonna drive. Sheesh. I was gonna do a driving video, but we got no traction and it's raining. I think I'm good. Driving one hand is so sketch, bro. But we're late. I love seeing DeLoreans. These things are so silly. It's clean. Yo, is that a Lotus? No. Toyota. Does that say Supra? That says Supra? What the heck? Oh, what was that? Yo, that thing's sick. Super before. Alright, I gotta look at more cars before everybody starts heading out, bro. I just got here. This is crazy. What is this thing? I have no idea what this is. Yo, a Pontiac? A Pontiac what? It doesn't say. This thing's cool though. The only Pontiac I know is a Firebird because I wanted one. It's sick. All the Beamers parked here. Got an M2. Oh, we got this whole thing. I don't even know what this is. Somebody let me know what this is, please. 2002 T double I, whatever that is. M2's clean, super. It says M3. More M3s. Yo, what's up? I think it's a GTS. I'm gonna guess GTS.
Oh, it's not even on.
We don't know. We'll never know. It does look like a GT3. I like that badge though.
I think it is a GT3, but with a different wing.
It looks like it's missing some things though. Yo, people are starting to head out because of the rain. I'd rock a GTS. Where are you going? You just got here. I haven't seen one of these in a while. I haven't seen one of those in so long. You don't see a clean Genesis too often. It's risen, that's why. It's a nice wrap. Bro, everybody's out today. Is that in a Barth? Yo. My spec. I can appreciate this, bro. I'm not even gonna lie. I've never seen this man out here. This is actually clean. Like little 15-inch wheels, maybe. That's a clean little daily. That's a clean little daily right there. I'm gonna assume this is a drift car. This is nice. A nice little Sylvia. Nice color. It's clean. It's clean. Which one? I like the C8s. A gray C8. I would absolutely take that. Bro, there's so many people out here today, but the weather's kind of shitty right now. What is this? It's a Z? Is it a Z? It's a Z. Oh my god, we got a Z06. Carbon wing. Look at that. Damn, that is nice, bro. This diffuser? That diffuser's crazy. My favorite color wheel is gunmetal. 100% gunmetal. This is my kind of car right here. Z06. Damn, the Raris are out today. Alright, Chuck. It's clean. Simple. Very simple. I like it. Oh, I know don't think I've seen this one before. Damn. Oh, an Evo. What? I don't think I've ever seen this on here. The red trim? That's nice. It's clean. Bro, this guy just walked by. He said, "Oh, it's just an Evo." Huh? What do you mean? What? What does it say? Oh, is he reversing? My bad, brother. Oh God, I'm all in the way. Oh my God, brother. Oh, this is mint. I wanted one of these so bad. These had pop-ups though, didn't they? I keep the pop-ups on, but this used to be my dream car. Soft top? Oh, how you gonna get through there? Nah, bro. Is he gonna make it? Yeah, he got it. He got it. And Justin just found a twin turbo C8. Yo, that's insane. Oh wait, this is the car that pulled up. Carbon hood, carbon lip, side skirts, roof. Damn, that's sick. It wasn't supposed to rain today, but looks like it's about to. I have no idea what this blue one is, this Ferrari. I'm not too familiar with Ferraris, but that blue is fire, bro. That blue is so nice. You going? I don't know much about McLarens either, but I do like the NSXs. What's this, 520, 720, 570? I don't know. I know it's a McLaren. It's nice though. But this one, the most underrated car, supercar. Sad. So nice though. My boy Justin wants one of these. He said he's gonna get one this year or next year. I don't know. I haven't seen this much camber in like 4 years. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Oh, the sticker. Sticker is fire. Yo, this MR2. I didn't know these lights were so vertical. Them things are 90 degrees. Geometry. Y'all don't know nothing about that geometry though. This is Justin's new wrap. The 3-piece or 2-piece? I don't remember. I think he said 2-piece. Oh, he took the wing off too. This is nice.
Yeah, you were telling me you ripped them. Insane.
The color change is nice too. Cool. The most underrated car in all of car history. Not a clue what this thing is. Yo, I would drive this so hard. Yo, look at that interior. That is mint. The wheels, these are like a gunmetal gray-ish. This thing is sick. I drive this every day, bro. Damn.
Yeah.
That thing is crazy. That is crazy. I see you, brother. I see you, brother.